place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be.
To go, I don't mind to ride on the field here, you know. This motorcycle can go anywhere. If I don't have a road, I can make out a road. I think this is the one, you know. If you look at the direction and the way what he said, I mean, this should be the way. Let's see. I think this route goes there. You want me to give a try? Okay, let's give a try. What is there? Okay. Yeah, this kind of more over adventure ride. Oh, where is this route taking me? Oh, this is more over like an adventure ride. I see a small waterfall there. Oh, holy shit. I mean, there is no way to get in there. Let me switch off the engine. There's a route, but you know, there is a big gap in between. I cannot take the motorcycle there. There should be some other way out, but I want to go there, man. Whatever it takes today, I want to go there. I cannot take the motorcycle in this bizarre place because I'm not sure. I mean, the suspensions are not built like a motocross motorcycles. So I'll better do one thing. Okay, I'll try to search, because this lake is very big. You know, it's not so small. So there should be some other way out there. I'll take that left and let's see. Yeah, there is no way here because there's a gap here in between. So yeah, I have to go another right and check it out. But for sure I'll make my way today without visiting the destination. I don't feel to go back. Let's see. What is this route taking, man? Okay, there's one more route here. Let's try this. Hold on, man. So I don't have off-road tires. This is on off-road tire. It's not completely off-road. Where is this route taking me? You know what? That's the plus point of having a very comfortable motorcycle. You can take it anywhere, you know, no matter. Okay, here we go. This is the back lake. The front lake, that's the dam where they did not allow me to get in. Okay, let's try here. I have to saddle now. Whoa, wow. Oh, finally, man, this is what I was looking out for. See? Stop the vehicle there. Somewhere really comfortable. Oh, don't get scared, my boy. Ah, wow. Finally. The backwater.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last.
He's like, you know, this is the back side, and he has around 5 cattle. So he take it for the wash, morning wash. How lucky they are, man. There's someone to give them a wash. So he stays nearby, and what he's telling me is you can just go and ask, request in the front gate that you have come for the shooting, and you can take videos there. But I don't want to go, you know, break the rules, COVID rules there. So I'm fine here because I can touch water literally here. But there it is not possible. So what do you think about this place, guys? Comment down below. So this motorcycle I modified completely the front part, and it has become lighter. This kind of terrains, it is really helpful. It's not too heavy. And now it's time for me to have this little snacks and thumbs up. Probably I'll offer him if he wants to drink. So he's gone out for the swimming there. Okay, let's have. Very nice. A small picnic with me and my motorcycle. His name is Basu, and he has around 5 cattle. So this breed is called as Moodla breed. Each cost around 35,000 rupees. That costs around 30,000. Breed it and they sell it in Hubli, APMC. So what he was saying is there is one more lake here, and here in this lake, Neer Sagar, the water level is less, and he's insisting me to go there and take a video. So he used to work in Hubli, I mean in some of the Panjurli hotel. So now since his father is becoming old, so he want to take his as family business, that agriculture. And I mean it's very humble people over here. I mean they smile, they share their stories. I'm a stranger to him, but still he manages to tell his lifestyle, what he's enjoying here. So I asked him, city life is interesting or village life? He said city, and we say village. There's always quite opposite, right? And they won't allow anybody to enter here because many of them have lost their life. People go here without knowing the depth of the water and lose their life. So this is what he was saying, and there is a board there, and he's insisting me to go inside and take a video. Let me go and show you there what is there. Let's go. Let's take this motorcycle out there. So he's taking me there. Nice. I'll park it here and I'll go there. Let's see. I got a nice parking spot as well. So huge stones. I should be careful. Oh, very, very sharp thorns, man. Oh. Let's go here and check it out. His name is Basu. Most of the villagers' names are Basu. Huh? I don't know to swim, man. I'll keep this inside. Huh? Oh, already. So cows are here. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಲಾರ್ದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಿ. Very risky, huh? See, there's a water. It's around 8-9 feet, 10 feet from here. Nice. Okay, that is the place. We used to come there. As you see there is a small near some water supply. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ಡೈವ್ ಹೊಡಿತೀರಿ? ಹಾಂ, ಹೊಡೆದಿರೇನ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ? Oh, that guy is looking at us. So he warns us, people who come here, I mean people lost their lives because of, they just wanted to drive from here and they never came back. That guy is, I mean, since these guys are local and they know them. For us like that, from outside people, they don't encourage us to get inside. Steps are fine, nice. So scary steps, man. You have to get down from here and have to go there. nice environment, weather. It's very nice chilling time out here. And next time I want to come with some food. I want to prepare some food out there. I want to cook something and I'll get some friends. Today I've come alone. Probably next time I will come with some friends. Okay, so what he's telling, that lake is really good. No, nobody knows it. Time to head back to city life, boring life. Well, I had a company. The Basu, that guy was really nice and was talking good. I have to hope you guys enjoyed this part of video. So what Basu was telling, every Monday they come and wash their cattle here. So there are people coming out there. I asked his phone number, but ironically he said he don't use mobile phones. 2022, people are still this way. No communication, nothing, you know, back 90s, 80s lifestyle. Only one thing I hate is the people making this place really dirty. I've seen there, I mean, liquor bottles, plastic water bottles, throwing in a river, you know. Who will be the sufferer? Animals, fish. People never understand, man. We should keep the environment really clean. People come there out from the city to have fun and throw all the trash and make the place dirty and go. See the village life? It's really interesting, man. I wish I can stay for 1 or 2 days here with localites. Just understand the way of their living. You get pure oxygen here. No interference with any vehicles. No carbon monoxide, no carbon dioxide. Alright guys, so thanks for your patience to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Next time we will catch up in this kind of places nearby. And I'll try to explore little more places. As Basu was telling me that there is one more small lake where I'll go there probably with friends. And yeah, today was a solo ride and I loved it. I hope you loved. So thanks for watching the video. Please share the video as much as you can, and that gives me a motivation to make still more videos. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, fucked up. I underestimated the road.